thanks for joining me today to do some watercolour and doodles. I'm going to work in a set of 3 today. I've got 3 little watercolour and doodles. I've got 3 types of media to add to those doodles. And I'm going to set that one aside to dry. Here's background number 2. This time I'm going to put down wet sections. Here's my 3rd one, wet big rectangles. I'm finding that the white just isn't showing up sufficiently, so I'm going to switch to these gelatos. Oh, that's much better. And I'm just going to blend one side of the mark. They're also partly transparent, so it's quite lovely. You can see some of the just going to rub in those little bits. Oh, this silver ice is so beautiful. I think I'll add more. Oh, metallic icing it's called. Just a little bit more, perhaps interrupting that section there. Bring it down that way. Gelatos. I'm amazed at how many things I keep finding to use on them. Yep. Okay. So you do get a bit of the gelato on your finger, but that's all right. It's water soluble. It will partially come off with a tissue, and then with a little bit of water, it completely comes off there. Water soluble. That's number 1 done. Here's number 2. I'm just looking at which colours I've got here that might look beautiful. Oh, how beautiful is that? And that's keeping it. This green is a little bit like the yellow. There you go, lovely. Okay, I'm going to use those 2 colours. Dark carmine and apple green. So this is a circular pattern. It's a pattern based on 3 circles. So I'm going to start by adding doodle marks with these pencils that are circular. And on the third one, I'm going to add watercolor markers. I go brown, grey, black. Ooh, I haven't used black much. I think I will use some black. What else? Oh, definitely some blue. Beautiful bloom in there, but it's a little bit distracting for my eye, so I'm going to do some marks over it, maybe this way. Here they are, 3 watercolor and doodles with 3 types of media, and oh, maybe I'll put that way. This one's got completely soft edges and the others are full of soft and hard, and this has mostly got lots of hard edges. Doing watercolor and doodles. Thanks guys, see you next time, bye.